Hi everyone, I'm Selelah Okoth, serving as the Senior Principal Environmental Officer at the National Environment Management Authority Kenya. And today I'm excited to be part of this annual Climate and Clean Air Conference here in Brasilia, where great ideas are being brought forth on addressing matters of climate and air pollution. In this particular meeting, we recognize air pollution as one of the greatest challenges affecting both environment and public health. In Kenya, our urban centers like Nairobi are affected by severe air quality issues, primarily driven by vehicular emissions, industrial activities, open burning, and widespread use of biomass fuels for cooking and heating. However, throughout the years, we are not just talking about the problem, we are actively solving it through progressive policies, initiatives on sustainable transport systems and green energy initiatives. Kenya is paving the way for a cleaner, healthier future for all. Kenya has served as a member of the CCSC Steering Committee and is involved in the CCS Agriculture, heavy-duty vehicles, the HFCs, household energy, National Action Plan for the Short-Lived Climate Pollutants and Waste Initiatives. In 2023, Kenya took a significant step in reducing short-lived climate pollutants by launching its National Action Plan. The NAP actually includes the country's first integrated greenhouse gas, SLCP, and air pollutant emission inventory, covering the period from 2009 to 2020. It also assesses how emissions of LCPs are likely to change between 2030 and 2050 and evaluates the potential to reduce SLCP emissions from key source sectors. Most importantly, the NAP provides an action plan for how policies and measures to reduce LCPs can be effectively implemented. Our commitment to clean air goes beyond transport. Kenya is a renewable energy powerhouse with over 90% of our electricity generated from clean sources like wind, solar, and geothermal. By reducing our reliance on fossil fuels, we are setting an example for Africa and the world. Kenya's 2020 NDC aims to decrease GHG emissions by 32% of 2020 levels by the year 2030, focusing on renewable energy and reducing reliance on fossil fuels and non-sustainable biomass fuels, promoting sustainable waste management, low carbon and efficient transportation systems, and climate-smart agriculture. In co-hosting the 2023 Africa Climate Summit, Kenya has also acted as a leader on the continent, calling for climate adaptation, expanded renewable energy, sustainable agriculture, and increased climate finance. But we know that sustainable change begins with awareness. That's why we are empowering our youth and communities with knowledge on air pollution and climate action. When we educate, we inspire action, and when we act together, we create lasting impact. The Africa Clean Air Program, ACAP, is critical to advancing national initiatives, providing the support and framework needed to scale up air quality management efforts, and Kenya remains committed to paving the way in Africa's air quality management initiatives, ensuring a future where clean air and sustainable development go hand in hand. Thank you.